it again, like a crack addict, feel me? I just came back from my little vacation from Vegas, and I picked up a couple things, you know. Well, I just picked up some shirts, and I have some Yeezys to review. Of course, they're not mine. I didn't like them, so I didn't feel like picking. As you can see, I did go to the Mag Park in Las Vegas. It's a pretty decent location for resellers, and I picked up, it was Black Friday, so I did pick up 2 shirts. They were all out of Supreme and all the good steals, but I was able to pick up some of their merchandise, their Magnolia Park merchandise, what they had for the Vegas edition, of course, because they're brand new to the strip. So I picked up 2 t-shirts, and I think they're pretty nice. Came out to $10 each, so pretty good steal. Well, I like supporting like little boutiques like the Riff, Urban Necessities, the Mag Park, Cool Kicks, anything that has to do with resale, because myself, when I'll hopefully finish with school, or before I even finish school, I want to have my own store. So I support, because I know how hard it is to open up a store and run it by yourself. Alright, the first item I picked up was this t-shirt. Nice print, just their Mag Park logo with the LV, and then in the back it says Mag Park all over it with their logo. I thought it was pretty dope, so I had to cop the red one real quick. They had several colors, but red's my favorite. And then I picked up another one. I picked up the yellow one. I think it looked clean. It looked pretty dope to me. I have a couple fits for it. I think these shirts were pretty clean when I picked them up, so it was an easy cop. And then when I bought the shirts, it came with 2 beach balls and 2 cups. Oh well, they came with these. Let's get into the Yeezy V2s. The Sesame colorway. Let's pull these boys out. Yeezy V2's the Sesame colorway. It's a nice colorway compared to the Butters. The Butters are really hard to match, especially because they're all yellow, and like a highlighter yellow, say it that way, and they're really hard to find close to match with, but I put it off, so sorry. Alright, it's a very clean colorway. It's like a grayish tan type of vibe to it, and I feel like it's easier to wear just because Kanye has released something like this, and at first it was a very hyped up shoe, but you gotta see, he overstocked on these. He produced a lot, and with that came them sitting on shelves, and that's what I didn't like, and I didn't pick them up for that reason, because what's the fun of having shoes if everybody has them? But unlike with the Butters, he made a lot, but they still sold out, and these are a nicer colorway than the Butters, tell you that much. But decent. I asked around, and they said they were pretty stocked on these shoes, and I went to like 3 or 4 stores, and they were all still stocked, full size run. And well, what can I say? They weren't hype. I don't know if this is because of the Kanye incident, with Trump and everything, or it's because they're just, the hype is dead. Me myself, I'm waiting for some 750s to drop, but that's unlikely to happen because he's been coming up with some new shoes, and I guess I have to just wait for the resale or wait for a good chance for me to hop on them. The shoe itself still features the Yeezy Adidas inside with the 3M and the pull tab that everybody likes, I guess. Me myself, I like it because it kind of defines a Yeezy. The V2s, when they were coming out without the pull tab, they look very dead, and it doesn't give it a pop from it like not having a pull tab, and it's what gives it the Yeezy feel. And in the back has a multicolored, I guess, overlapped, what makes it look like a gum bottom, and it's gum bottom throughout the whole bottom, and it's pretty clean. And you know, the iconic boost, which makes the shoe very, very comfortable. Well, in my opinion, they're very comfortable. And the tags, like usual, brand new. Yeah, and the rope lacing. Very clean shoe. I think myself it's a very clean